Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your name, then iCloud to access Hide My Email. If you don't see it, sign in with your Apple ID. This feature requires iCloud Plus. Once the screen loads, choose Hide My Email to view aliases. You're starting the process now. Create an alias by tapping Create New Address. This generates a randomized forwarding address so your real email stays private while apps and services can still reach you. Now you create and manage aliases. Tap Create New Address, add a label that describes the purpose, then save. This gives you a unique, randomized email that forwards to your real address. Use this alias when signing up for services or subscriptions. Doing so isolates a single point of contact and prevents cross-service tracking. To manage aliases, return to Hide My Email to view, rename, or disable any entry. Make sure to remove an alias if spam starts arriving. Finish by adjusting delivery and access. To stop messages reaching you, open the alias and disable forwarding or delete the alias entirely to cut off emails. Once done, verify mail settings and the account you used to sign up, because some services will retain your Apple Relay address. If an expected message doesn't appear, check the alias status and your junk folder. If issues persist, sign out and back into iCloud or update iOS so the Hide My Email relay functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.